Menteri Rangba ke Jela Ukonrat ke Sangma hakasan terik rumpang ulapan ku burom ya ki samla ki bala job haki jingialehkai sports jongka Meghalaya Games 2024 bat Khelo India Youth Games 2024 haka jingalang ke bala long hau soso tham auditorium Shillong. Nalor Menteri Rangba ki wede ki bala don lang ki long ke Menteri Ketenat Health and Family Welfare ka kong Amprin Lingdo Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs uba Syakliar Warjri bat ki wei. Konrad ke sangma haka jingkren ula ai khuble ya baro ki nongjop bat ula ong kalong ka badan kam ban rakhe ya ka namjop bat ki khusnam ki balala ban walam syaka jela. Menta katayo kalong katayo ba kongsan hapdeng ba baro shi tayo lenter ngin rakhe na ka benta ki samla ki badan benta ha ki sports ha ka jingseng kam la jong ne ha ka ruai ka siaw bat baro ki program ki ban penlong menta katayo ki de ki badan chi ade bat ki samla la ong Menteri Rangba ka jela. Ula pentip ru ba kajing temu halor kajing penkup burom bat kajing itu yaki nongjop na padang ki samla kadai ka ban kentiu khat yaki bakin long ki nuksa bat kinong ai mensim na ka benta ki weipan ngakwa ban penpau hak mat jong pi ki samla ba pidon ka benta ka bakrau bat kajing ket kli bat kam dei satya tang na ka benta kajing job ban yo ra takma ne ban yo khusnam henrei pi kala long ki nuksa bat kinong prat hapadeng ki babun la beteng Menteri Rangba. Na kaliang Menteri Rangba ulapan pauru ka jingsongu na kabenta ka MSOA kishnat rekam bar katnat rekam jong ka sports halor ka jingno snyang jongki na kabenta ka jingla ban penpoi syakathong ya ka Meghalaya Games. Kidon ki jing bar jing tenju henrei man la usnem ba ka jing penlong ya ka ne ka jingialehkai kanang la ban jam syakmat bat la ban ya khun persya ya ki jing ha ka jing ai khublei ka kunhun lekai football ka bala yo ra ka cup ha ka Khelo India Youth Games Menteri Rangba ula ong bakani ka kenhun kadai ka balawan ra ka jing sngo sarong na ka benta ka jela bat ban ru da ka baong kidai ki bala poi sya ka thong jong ka jingjop bat kani ka kado syai bala dangi raikut bat penlet jimun ngidai ban kenjo sya ka thong bangi don lakren penkut Menteri Rangba ka jela. Hashua kani Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs uba Syakliar Warjri ulapan kenmau yaki samla ba ka pisa ka bakiyo kidai ban pendan kam hok yaka na ka benta ka jingla ban kentiu syusyu halor ka sap ka talen baki don haka sports ngi na kaliang ka sorkar ngila pediang ban itu yaka jing trish tom jongpi hadu ba philayo ban khe ya usok ka jingjom henrei kane kam shamdei satya ka bakut pidai ban bu syusyu ka thong ka bakham hakenjang namar pidai ka lawe jong ka jela la ong uba Syakliar. Hadian kane ki kenrem ki lendan ki ladon benta ban sam ka khusnam da ka pisa syakito ki balayo khurtakma haki jingialehkai ba pher.
So at the very outset I would like to congratulate all the winners today and really wish you all the very best. You have made yourself, your family and each and every one of us proud. So I think it would be appropriate that let's give each other, in fact all of you, a huge round of applause. Many congratulations for the great achievements that you have achieved. That we would like to make you as icons and as motivation for other youth to be able to look at you and say that, well, I would like to be like them. And I would like to also be one of those people who are able to achieve. And hence, I would like to tell the youth who are here today that you have a very important and responsible role to play. Today, you might think that you just won a medal, but it's not about just the medal or the award that you will get. It is about the recognition that you're getting today in the state. It's about how your colleagues, your friends, other youth of the state today are looking up to you. Hence, I would request all of you that be that responsible person. Guide other youths. Tell them your story of how you have done and achieved what you have achieved. That you will face challenges in life. But it is how you face them and how you improve and how you overcome them. That is really what matters. And I'm happy to see that the MSOA, the sports department, and all the organizing committee members overcame many challenges and we're making the games better and better every year. I really look forward to the games in Genti Hills in July, which will be in about a year's time. And I hope that all of you have started practicing for the event. We really hope that this year we had about 3,000 athletes. I'm hoping that we will be having many more in the next games. Hopefully maybe 4,000 to even 5,000 athletes participating in the future games to come. You will see that it is not just our speeches or the kind of words that we give, but in action we have been able to invest in our youth. If you minus the infrastructures, which will be more than 700-800 crores today in different infrastructures for the sport within this last 5 years, in the different programs, as I said, for grassroots music program, Yes Meghalaya program, Prime Entrepreneurship program, Northeast Olympics, different Meghalaya games, different association games. The government of Meghalaya has spent more than 125 crores in different programs to organize and to mobilize the youth. And let me assure you that we will continue to do that, and we will be investing in the youth, because as mentioned by our Honorable Sports Minister, you are the future of our state, and we want to give the best opportunity to you to be able to shine in whatever area that you have passion in and that you want to move forward in.
So I would like to congratulate each and every one of you. I believe the 5th Meghalaya Games that was held in Tura was a huge success. But to make the 5th Meghalaya Games a huge success, it was a contribution of everyone. Dedication, hard work and teamwork. And I believe without you, the athletes, adjusting to whatever the government had to prepare for you, I believe without the dedication and hard work of all the associations and district administration, the 5th Meghalaya Games edition would have never been a success. But nonetheless, it was a huge success, and I'm very, very happy that we announced on the 5th Meghalaya Games that we will be distributing cash awards to all the athletes who have won medals. And I just want to congratulate you, each and everyone. And I want to tell you one thing, especially all the athletes, that this is not the end. You have won medals, you have won, now you'll be receiving the cash awards. But then we should always have a mindset, set a goal to achieve more and more, to go to greater heights. And for that, to achieve all that, you have to work hard, you have to be dedicated. We, the government, are dedicated to work hand in hand with you to provide you the best of the best so that you may achieve great things in life.